Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have hashtag Fyah. Now she is going after Lorraine. She's letting Lorraine know that everybody has their opinion, and she stopped actually going on her platform because Lorraine was going down a destructive path and she didn't want that for herself. So she was also making it clear that that wasn't the case. It wasn't because of Ashanti, but because of her own free will. So listen to the video and comment and
I'm gonna
share.
pick the wrong blood clot war. Don't fuck with me. Me not fuck with people. Don't fuck with me. Remember me tell her that. Nasty Lorraine. Yeah, cause that you call me. Nasty girl Lorraine. You know I'm stop. Come on your show and watch you. It never have nothing to do with Ashanti. Cause that's what you always I put out the Ashanti Ashanti. Me, hashtag, have a mind of my own. You see, when I see other people's life go at risk, I decided I wanted no part of that. Because that wasn't a mission to mash up corruption. That was a suicide mission. Straight fire for you now. Me hashtag says so. That's why I'm going to stop follow you. And when I say follow, I'm going to follow people. That's why I'm going to stop watch you. You don't notice that? I realize, so I don't want no part of no negativity. Because this was no longer about no corruption. So yes, I talk, be mutual. Me talk when I want talk, lady. You can't stop me from talk. I owe you. I owe you. The last time me and you have a conversation, I tell you something, me can't stop my body from talk when I talk on the platform. Because every man have a right to his own opinion. I owe you. You think you can stop people from chat on the internet? You look on the blood clot internet day and night at chat. Anybody a blood clot stop you? Don't call my name Lorraine. Don't call my blood clot name. You put so many people's life at risk. Sharika is one of them. Sharika is one of them. Are you trying to help that same person that you put life at risk? Let's talk about it. Because I'm going to talk what me do for people, you know. I'm going to talk the goodness what me do behind closed doors, you know. Because I'm going to need praise from man. My praises come from God. And that me say. And yes, me come out and go on with myself. But me I warn you. Me's not the one. Me's not the fucking one. So whatever blood clot recording you have on your phone, snake, blood clot feds, play it in farmer. Me not give a fuck anything me say behind closed doors, me can't say up front. Remember, me hashtag tell you that. You always say cover your ass, right? Me cover my blood clot ass. Don't fuck with me. Me no fuck with you. Me speak when me want to speak. Me never call your blood clot name. Don't blood clot fuck with me. Cause you don't know me. Me not give a fuck where you come out on the internet and say and do. Don't call my blood clot name out of your stinking blood clot mouth. You put so many people life at risk. So many people life at risk. And that me I talk about. Me not talk about the cuss. That's why I'm stop dealing with your blood clot. Cause people like you will make people dead. You remember you called me in a bar? Hashtag, the voice note them come out. The fuck out of here, bitch. I'ma tell you say you're wrong. And after that, I'ma come out for your blood clot show. And that'll kill you. It'll kill you. You're obsessed, lady. Your blood clot obsessed. You're obsessed with breaking news. You're obsessed with the internet. You're mental. With a blood clot you're coming in. Me and you a friend. Me and you never cross road. Me and you never hold on. With a blood clot you know about me. That's why I'm stop watch you. Because I realize you not have nothing good about you. Your intentions weren't pure. Because when it comes to putting people's life at risk, it's a different story. I'm gonna do them things there. You put a lot of people's life at risk, Lorraine. That's why I stopped watching you. Coming to deal with fuckery. You see me, I call your blood clot phone. And you not answer? Answer. Put out your blood clot file. Cause you don't know nothing about me. Don't call my name. This don't have nothing to do with no Auntie Dana, no Ashanti. This is your personal, whatever you got you. Now put me in a that. Cause when me come for bonfire, I'm a bonfire on all sides. I come talk about what nasty hashtag, your blood clot bright and out of order. What you know about me? What file you have for me? Remember me tell you said, my husband never lick off jerk chicken crotches and come give it to me. So you can't call me nasty. You're not burnt, you're not tearing up corruption. You start destruction. That is